In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for Google Chat. We're going to walk through the process of finding the Google Chat for Jira app inside Jira and starting the setup from the Atlassian Marketplace. If you want to make communication and issue tracking work more smoothly together, this is a great place to begin. Start by opening Jira and looking toward the top navigation area. From there, click on Apps. This section is where Jira lets you access tools, integrations, and add-ons that can expand what your workspace can do. If you're new to Jira integrations, think of this as the main hub for connecting Jira with other platforms. Once the Apps menu opens, click Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace area within Jira, where you can browse available integrations. The marketplace includes a large number of apps, so using search is the fastest way to find exactly what you need. In the search field, type Google Chat. As you enter the term, Jira will show matching results related to chat and collaboration tools. Be sure to look for the app specifically named Google Chat for Jira, so you choose the correct integration. When you see Google Chat for Jira in the results, click on it to open the app's listing page. This page gives you more detailed information about the integration, including what it does and how it can support your workflow. Opening the listing before installing is helpful because it lets you confirm that the app matches your team's needs. Next, take a moment to read the overview. This is an important step because the overview usually explains the app's core features, any key requirements, and what kind of experience you can expect once it's connected. Reading through it can also help you understand whether the app is intended for notifications, collaboration, issue updates, or a broader workflow connection between Jira and Google Chat. After reviewing the information, click Try It Free. This starts the process of adding the app to your Jira environment. Depending on your permissions in Jira, you may be able to continue right away, or you may need approval from an administrator. If that happens, just keep in mind that it's a normal part of managing apps in shared workspaces, and that's the process for getting started with Google Chat for Jira. Once you've reached the free trial step, you're ready to move forward with installation and setup inside your Jira environment.